Okay, so we've got one of these worded fractions, percentages, and ratio questions. Normally, these are answered quite badly, purely because there's lots of words, and the order that we do things can sometimes be a little bit of a mess in terms of the way that it's written. But let's have a look at this one. It says a delivery company has a total of 160 cars and vans. The number of cars to the number of vans is 3 to 7. So straight away, that's talking about that 160. So we can start dealing with that, and we'll come back to it once we've read through the question, but that's going to be our first step. Each car and each van uses electricity, diesel or petrol. 1/8 of the cars use electricity. So that's now only talking about the cars, nothing to do with that 160 there, because that 160 is cars and vans. 25% of the cars use diesel, again just about the cars, and then the rest of the cars use petrol. So all this information here is only talking about the cars, and the cars is just this 3 in our ratio. Work out the number of cars that use petrol, and you must show you're working. So we need to work out how many cars there are. So at the moment we have 160 cars and the ratio 3 to 7. Now we're doing this without a calculator, and this is quite nice because that adds up to 10. So dividing by 10 is going to be quite nice. We could do 160 divided by 10, which gives us 16. That's the amount of cars or vans per part in this ratio. The ratio is 3 to 7, so we need to multiply both of these by 16. Not quite as nice as our division by 10. Now we only need to work out the cars, so I don't need to worry about doing 7 times 16. You can work them both out if you want, but I need to do 16 times 3. I want to get that right, so I'm going to do the working out for it. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus the 1, so 48. So there are 48 cars. You might want to label that, something in an exam, just to make sure that you know exactly what number's what. Label it, highlight it, whatever you need to do, but that 48 is a very important number to us now. Now we're going to move over to all this information where we have fractions and percentages related to that 48. So the first one, 1/8 of the cars use electricity. 1/8 of 48 is doing 48 divided by 8, which is 6. So we have 6 cars that use electricity. 25% could also be treated as a fraction if you preferred. You could do that as 1/4 and then divide by 4. Completely up to you, whichever you prefer. I quite like 25% because we can work out 50%, which is 24, and 50% of that, which is 12. So we can get the answer quite quickly. You can also do a non-calculator method, which I guess you could do 10% is 4.8, 5% is half of that, 2.4, and build up to 25. But I think in this circumstance, I think getting 50% and halving it to get 25% is probably nicer, or doing 1/4. So you've got to try and spot these little tricks on non-calculator papers. It says the rest of the cars use petrol. So at the moment, the total here, 12 and 6 is 18. And there were 48 in total. So the rest of the cars is going to be 48 minus the 18 that use electricity or diesel. And that gives us a total of 30. So there we go. Our final answer would be 30 cars that use petrol. And that's going to be our final answer. And that is dealing with fractions, percentages and ratios. And again, without a calculator. If you want all 9 questions like this in one place, then grab my REVISE9 revision grids completely free. Click the link in the description, create your free account and unlock them inside Upgrade or TGMT4T. Simply head to the REVISE9 tab, select Higher or Crossover and download them instantly.